Hey besties, what is up? I'm back again with another video. So in today's video, it's going to be a fun one. I did collab with my girl Tracy. Tracy does makeup. So you guys already know by the title what collection we're going to be reviewing. It is going to be the new Colourpop Madalorian palettes. And she created a look with this palette right here. I created this look using this palette right here. Super cute. I'm so excited for you guys to see it. I am so happy to finally be, collaborating with my girl. She's like my soul sister. I love her so freaking much. So yeah, you guys, she always kills it with her looks. So make sure you guys head over to her channel. I'll have everything linked down below so you guys can follow her. Make sure you guys follow her everywhere. I'm gonna have her TikTok, her YouTube, her Instagram and stuff like that. So yeah. So I'm going to show you guys some swatches of the palette that I used. So later, it's going to be later on in the tutorial. That way you guys won't miss it. But I really enjoyed playing with this collection. It's really cute. My kids are super in love with the little baby Yoda. So I never watched like Star Wars and so I don't even know like that much stuff about it. But yeah, all I know is it's super cute. I loved everything. If you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below. Hit the bell to get notified every time I post and give your girl a like. If you guys want to see all about this look and the collection, then let's just keep on watching. Look at how cute. I'm so excited. It looks so cute. I mean, I don't know nothing about Star Wars, but it's cute, okay? This is the palette that I'm going to be using. So I'm priming my eyes with the P. Louise times Mama Mitchell in Blank Canvas, my favorite. So the first shade that I'm going to be taking is called Float Your Crib, and it's going to be the darkest green in the palette. So right there you can see, and I'm using a Tres Luce brush. I love Tres Luce brushes. They're so freaking good. I don't know, I have all of them and they're bomb. So I'm going to be winging my eyeshadow out. So we are going to already kind of stamp where we're going to have it or how we're going to have it. So I'm going to just like take it out. But I'm just packing that all over the lid, and then I'm going to be using those matte green shadows, okay? So all of them. The other shade that I'm taking right now, it's called the Little Frog, and then I'm taking Baby Face. Baby Face, I think it's going to be my favorite one. It's really pretty. So right here I'm taking the NYX glitter glue to cut the crease. It's just going to enhance the shimmers. I'm going to be taking pretty much all the shimmers except the Sipping Soup, which is a greenish one. I should have took that one. I didn't realize that one until right now. But I'm taking the color Precious Cargo. I'm taking Right Hand Mando, and then the Force. The Force is going to be like the more goldy color. And I'm just showing you what I'm doing. That's the Force one. And I could have put more, but I didn't want it to overpower my look. So yeah, I'm taking the brown shade. It's called, I don't even know. Drew, I don't know. Just the brown shade. But you guys already know. So I'm taking again the color Float Your Crib, and I'm just going to just blend that in with the shimmer colors until I'm happy. I'm going to show you like more of the collection later on, but I'm taking my liquid liner, and look at this little mirror. Okay, so this is the ABH liquid liner. So I'm using her lashes, Tracy, my friend Tracy. She has her own lash company, and that's the lash I'm using. It's called Driven, and they are so pretty. They're perfect for this eyeshadow look. And then I'm going to be taking some glitter from Jelly Wings Cosmetics. I just wanted some glitter. I know. I always need glitter, but this is what I'm doing. So it was only right that I used my girl's lashes. Tracy, she is so amazing. So she has her own lash company. And these are in the style Driven. These are like, I think these are like silk ones. Synthetic fibers. It has synthetic fibers. And they are cruelty free. So we love that. But yeah, so it's super cute. They're very lightweight and I'm obsessed with them. To get into the eyeshadow right here, I just did something simple. I did add a little bit of glitter in the inner corner because you guys already know I love glitter. So this little Baby Yoda palette is so cute. I didn't have no problems with blending anything out, so that's a plus. Everything blended out really nicely, and you guys already know that greens are not my type of shades, but It's for you guys. So also, so my boo is going to be doing her look using this palette because this collection came with 2 palettes. So this is the palette that she's actually going to be using. Very, very pretty. It's like more like on the cool tone side. So yeah, that's cute. And then it came with a cute little mirror. You guys already know that I love me a mirror. Like with any collection, I want a mirror. You know what I mean? It's a little tiny one. So it's like my hands are here. But it's perfect, you guys. This is super cute. It's really nice. Perfect for the eyes, you know? So cute. So this is the cute little pamphlet it came with. Very cute. I love Colourpop's collections. They always go above and beyond. And then they came out with some glosses. So it's a Luxe Lip Oil Duo. And I love lip oils. Their Luxe lip oils. They're so bomb. But look at this one. So cute. I'll do some swatches for you guys real quick. All right. So they're lip oils, so they're not like super, super pigmented, but they have pigment in it. And the packaging is really, really cute, you guys. This is a clear one with glitter. Love that. I think I'm going to use this one. You can't really see the shimmers like on camera. I don't think so, but this is what it looks like. So the last thing that it came with is this little makeup pouch. How freaking cute. I am obsessed. I gotta hide this one though because my daughter will steal it. She loves this little baby Yoda. But it's really cute. Look at it. It's pretty roomy. I like it. I cannot wait to see what she came up with. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm so excited. She's such an amazing person. I'm obsessed with her. A little bit about me and her. We started talking and we just been super close ever since. We literally talk every day, and if we don't talk like throughout the day, we're like, hello, what's going on? Do you not love me anymore? But I love her. She is such a sweet soul. I'm gonna be doing my face off camera, and then I will be right back. So this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys liked it. I know it's a little mini tutorial, but I wanted to get it up as quick as possible because I am collaborating with my girl Tracy. I wanted to make sure we just finished it today, but it was just a funny story. We both talk to each other. We were talking to each other today, and we're both like, hey, did you get the palette from Colourpop, the new collection? And we're like, yeah. So we both went to our PO boxes and we both had it, so we decided to do a collab. So I hope you guys like it. Again, make sure you guys go over to her channel, that way you could check her look out. But yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Bye guys.